the beginning, the Alaskan cruise vlog. We are about to fly into Vancouver in maybe like an hour.
I'm waiting for I'm waiting for the day
ship to Alaska. We're chilling at O'Hare. You said I'm eating some pizza with the whole Lewis fam. So, yeah, get ready for some fun adventures, guys. Alright, we landed in Vancouver. We're walking through a Canadian version of Bass Pro. As you can see, it's like interesting. But we're just kind of walking around. I don't know what that means, but
maple syrup.
It doesn't. But anyway, I gotta use the bathroom now.
Thanks for sharing.
Later. Alright, just got done working out here at the hotel in Vancouver. And then get ready to load the ship and start the journey to Alaska. So, whoops, zoomed in on my face. We'll see you guys soon. Alright, we are now out of the hotel, which was this building right there. And we're walking to their version of the Walgreens. Pretty nice out, it's like in the 60s. Wearing a t-shirt, shorts, you know. So yeah. We're about to board the ship and there's... Alright, let's do it, right? Well, there's a bunch of people here. Very long line. Check this line out. It's like going to Walmart, y'all.
Going to Walmart?
Waiting in line.
You're in 30.
It smells like fish. We're finally getting onto the boat. Walking down the ramp. Suitcases below. Check this out. Right there. Ours is probably in there, maybe. I don't know. Or maybe it's at the room already. I don't know. This guy was questioning me about, did I take a picture of the officers at the, what was it called?
U.S. Customs.
U.S. Customs. And I did not. I just had I set my phone on the counter. It's pretty funny. He was so serious too. So we have finally left. About 20 minutes ago. Bye, Vancouver. Here it is. Our luxurious room. Here's where me and Lauren are to sleep, and that's where John is. This thing will come down over us. Should be interesting.
Fakest smile ever
in my life. Fake.
Alright, so we just got done eating dinner, and I'm hanging out in the porthole window, and I don't know, check it out. Nope, can't see, it's too bright. Never mind. Alright, day 2 on the cruise. We're just driving around today, well, cruising around today. Not really on a, we're not landing anywhere today. We'll do that tomorrow. And learn how to play craps, kinda. I don't know. I still don't know what to do. Oh well, check it out. It's pretty dope. Oh yeah, and drinking mimosas because why not? Today's Saturday.
Cheers.
Mimosas on deck, and yeah. See you later. Finally made it to our first stop here in Alaska, called Ketchikan. My alarm went off at 5. Now we are about to go do our Jeep tour and canoe tour. It's not too bad out here. It's like upper 50s. I got my Subaru Ambassador hoodie, Subaru Ambassador jacket, so I'm good to go.
I just want to ask that you guys actually don't swerve those potholes. Just go right through them. We have some soft shoulders, like I said on the waiver. We're just going to drive in a straight line convoy, as I mentioned. I want to keep this convoy.
How high is it? What's up guys, day 4. We're out here about to ride on the Zip Rider and check out some whales. We got Katie and Cody here with us too. It's their 1-year anniversary getting on the bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Bus rider's birthday, so wish him a happy birthday. Happy birthday, James. I have no idea what we're doing tonight. Either way, it's been a good trip so far. Day 4, signing out, we'll see you later. How excited are you right now?
Excited.
We're supposedly higher than the Empire State Building. We're about to ride down the Zip Rider. Check it out. Goes all the way down. So we'll see you guys down there. All right, round 2. We are now whale watching. We're on the boat. We're on the boat. About to drive 30 minutes out at sea, find some whales. All right, we saw a few orcas, you know, bouncing in and out of the water. Is pretty cool. Now we're on the way to see some humpback whale. Now it's gonna take 30 minutes. As you can see, wake view is the best view. All right, we'll see you in a bit. All right, we just got done whale watching. Just got done taking some shots.
Katie's next to him.
I started to climb this mountain. I figured I'd go up a little bit, turn around, but I kept looking at the top. Why not just climb all the way to the top? So that's what I did. Working my way up. That mountain right there. See you when we get to the top. Peace.